Good morning to all of you. This is Sanikuan Gupta from a Student Guideline YouTube channel, and today we have discussed about our next topic. It means multiplication of fraction. So let us start our class. Okay, so let us start our class for today, and you also know yesterday our sixth class topic fraction is complete, and today we have discussed about our seventh class, special for seventh class fraction, multiplication of fraction. And after two videos, another two videos provide fraction of division and vulgar fraction, and one another types. It means, so my dear students, firstly we have discussed about today's topic fraction, multiplication of fraction. So my dear students, you also know before classes we have discussed about our fraction of addition, fraction of addition of fraction, addition of subtraction, and today we have discussed about addition of multiplication of fraction. So my dear students, you also know how to multiply with fraction. So let us do just like only one, yeah, two example I give you. After that you also know how to solve the question of multiplication of fraction. So firstly we have I also know say to you that's the first topic. It means product of fraction. When any question give any in your book, give any questions, so firstly you choose what is this. It means fraction of multiplication, fraction of addition, yeah, fraction of addition. After that you start your solve. So first product of their numerator. It means firstly you product means multiply of both number. It means numerator divide by product of their denominator. It means in if question says just like here 4 by 5 into 6 by 3. So how to solve them? It means firstly you start product of their numerator. Product means firstly you multiply with both number and multiply with both number. It means numerator and denominator also. After that you also solve it. How to solve the question of product of fraction? It means product of their numerator and another product of their denominator. If you multiply, firstly you multiply with numerator and both numerator, and after that you multiply with both denominator then you solve the question. Another type just like here a into b, a into c, a by b, just like here a by b, okay, and c by d, just like here, okay. So that's your rule. It means a into c divide by b into d. That's your rule. If you don't know how to solve them product of their numerator and how to solve them product of their denominator, so you follow in this rule. Just like here a by b and c by d, that's your question forms. And how to solve it? That's form a into c divided by b into d. After that you get your solution of fraction of multiplication. Is that clear? So my dear students, let us start out just like here first example. So how to say 4 by 6, 4 by 5 multiply 6 by 3? How to solve it? So what is your rule? Product of their numerator. It means when you start that question, solve the question just like here 4 by 5 multiply 6 by 3. That's a product of their numerator. It means what is the product of numerator? 4 into 6. And the product of denominator. What is product of denominator? 5 by 3. 5 by 3. Is that clear? So start your just like here multiply with 4 6 are 24 and 5 3 are 15. 5 3 are 15. If you want to cut it, then you also get your answer. If you leave it, that's your answer. Or it means 5 3 are 15 and 8 3 are 24. It means 8 by 5 your answer. Okay. So firstly you pause the video and write in your copy. Then start our next topic. Okay, so I also write another example for you, just like here question. Your question says 8 by, your question says 8 by 12, 8 by 12 into 9. How to solve it? Says find the product of fraction. How to find the product of fraction? It means you also know, when we have also just like here 18 by 12 and 9, it means, and his denominator is 1. Okay, after that you solve it. What? That's a product of their denominator. Yeah, another example, a into a by b into c by d, a by b into c by d, that's a form. And what is your rule? Just like a into c, a is the 8 and c is to 9 and 12 multiply 1. So what's your answer? 8, 9 and 12, 1. 8 9s are 72 and 12 1, 12. Okay, so you cut it, then you get 6. That's your answer. Is that clear? 6 is your answer. So that's your example for how to find the product of multiplication. Just like question says find the product. Find the product. You also know that the thing is multiplication thing, not a addition and not a subtraction thing. Okay. So if multiplication thing available, then you solve in multiplication. Okay. Firstly, you convert in that form a by c into c by d. After that, you multiply with product of their numerator and divide by product of their denominator. Okay. So in that session, another types of, just like uses of it, uses of, uses of. So how to, just like here, uses of. If that type of question come in your exam, how to solve it? Okay, so firstly write on the board, just like a formation, how to solve it. It means any question come in that form of c. Okay, in that form. So how to crack it? It means that's a form by c into a by b. That's your form of solution, and that's your question form. That's your question form, and that's your form of solution. That type of you solve it. Okay, so just like one example here, it means find, here find 1 by 2, find 1 by 2 of 6. It means you also know that's here c, that's c, and that's a, and that's b. So that's a question form. And what is your solution form? It means solution form is c into a by b. That's your form. Okay, so c is equal to 6 and a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2. So that's your solution form. So when you start to solve the question, how to, just like here, firstly you convert in that form. If that's a cut it, you also know, just like here, divide, multiply with 1, and you also multiply with, that's a long form, just like here. Firstly you convert and b into here and 2 1 into 2. Okay, so 6 by 2, 6 by 2, it means 3. That's a old form of, it means that form, but you use that form c into a by a, c into a by a, c 1 by 2. It means when you cut a, 3 2s are 6 and 3 multiply 1 is equal to 3, your answer. 3 is that your answer. It means that question form, that's a old form of, just like product of fraction. It means when a, b, c and d given, if a, b and c given, then you find out with the help of just if you use that form. It means c into a by b. That's a solution form, and that's a question form. I write here, that's a question form and that's a solution form. Is that clear? So firstly you write down, and I also write on the board another example for you. Okay, you write down that. Okay, okay, it means another example for you, just like here. In that period, write some another question, just like here 1 by example here 1 by 5 of a rupees. Okay, so that's your another question. It means 1 by 5 of a rupee. A rupees, it means 1 rupees. A rupees, it means 1 rupees. 1 rupees is equal to 100 paisa. 1 rupees is equal to 100 paisa. Is that clear? So firstly you multiply with, it means 1 by 5 of a rupees. Okay, so that's your form, 1 by 5 of 100 paisa. So that's the form of your question. That's the form of your question. So firstly you write the form of solution. So how to write? What is the form of solution? C into A by B. C is equal to 100. C is equal to 100 and A by B. A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 5. Okay. It means A 100 multiple of 1 by 5. It means A rupees 100 paisa into of 1 by 5 of means multiple. Okay, is that clear? So how to solve them? How to solve them? You also know that I also says you that's a two form. Firstly that form and firstly that form. You choose which form you use. Just like here, firstly use first form. First form means that's a 100 multiply 1 by 5. That's a solution form. And you use here divide 1. Okay, divide 1. So just like you multiply with multiply form, just like multiply form use. Okay, it means A into C and B into D. Okay, it means 100 multiply 5. When you cut it, then you get 20. Then you get 20. Okay, then you get 20. Okay, so that's your form is 20. Okay, 20 what? It means that's a paisa. That's 20 paisa answer. If another form, just like you use here or it means that's your 100 multiply 1 by 5. When you cut it, just like here 25 it means 20 paisa. Your answer. You want which form? Just that form and that form also. After that you get answer. So my dear students, write in your copy. Okay. Okay, my dear students, so today's our last topic is finished. It means fraction of multiplication finished. And next topic we have read next classes, and a special notification for my 6th class students. Today's I am not upload video on the 6th class because I also complete more than 6 chapters. Firstly you take a make a notebook and then you send me also how to make your fair and make your notebooks. And so stay home and save your life, and 6th class video upload after tomorrow next classes. So my dear student, stay home, keep you save your life and continue your study. Thank you.